I'm Mitch, and this is what's new in Iru. AI should work with you, and to do that, it needs to understand what you're trying to do and what you've already done. Iru AI can now read the page you're on when responding to prompts, so whether you're drafting a new blueprint or adding a password policy, you'll get contextually aware suggestions. No need to over-explain, it already knows. We've also added clarification loops and thinking states to make Iru AI a first-class experience. In compliance automation, we released an update to keep your business always audit ready. We call this adaptive compliance. Instead of a static checklist system, adaptive compliance continuously evaluates changes, whether it's policies or your IT stack, and proposes concrete updates to your controls and actions. You'll receive a list of recommended updates and can approve exactly which changes to execute. In endpoint management, we push updates to ensure Apple devices receive the right configuration profiles and applications before an employee has access to it. IT admins can establish a hold window and choose exactly what security settings, such as file vault encryption and passcode requirements, are needed. This ensures that every device is configured correctly for an out-of-the-box experience. Finally, we've created a more cohesive experience on the threat detection page, uniting both file and behavioral detections. That's everything new from last week. We'll see you next time.